Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my vlogs. This is vlog number 1. Beautiful day outside, and with all the gyms being closed these days, the only form of exercise I've been really getting is playing basketball outside. I've showered, and now it's time to take advantage of this nice weather we have outside. Right now the plan is just go outside, take some shots with my drone, and I'm taking you all along with me. Let's go. In my opinion, the best thing you can do during these days of quarantine, just get outside, take a little walk, take a short walk around your area, clear your mind. My drone out right now. We're just gonna put this thing together and go fly it. Here we go. It's windy. Yeah, very windy. Well, yeah, basically it's a little bit too windy right now to fly this thing. It's okay, it's better to be safe than sorry. Technically my second vlog, but I just wanted to take a look at campus with this whole Corona thing getting it shut down right before we get things going again with online classes. So I want to give a shout out to some fellow creators doing it right now. First of all, shout out to Pete Gottschalk. Pete has been providing us with some dope daily vlogs. Congrats to him for hitting all 7 in a row, and they've been pretty inspiring. They've inspired me personally to keep creating, keep making videos, keep making content, to keep myself not only occupied but inspired and motivated to do other things as well. So shout out to Pete, go check out his channel. Secondly, I want to give a shout out to my friend Sam Leeper. Sam took this Corona break as an opportunity to announce his new journey on YouTube, where he's going to be focusing on documenting his fitness. Really excited to see Sam's journey on that. So I want to thank you so much for watching this vlog. This is vlog number 1. My name is Sohile. Thank you for listening to my story.